Welcome. If you want to get Facebook Lite on your Huawei P40 Pro that doesn't have support from the Google services, you have to get the second smartphone with the Google Play Store, and right here you have to download the Facebook Lite. The second step is to open the application to transfer data, and we are going to use the phone clone. You can get this application from the Google Play Store, but also you have it on your Huawei smartphones, because this is the default application from the Huawei company. And if you open it, tap on the new phone on your P40 Pro and old phone on your Android smartphone. Right here we have to tap on the old phone type, and it's Huawei. Also scan QR code and just wait, because our smartphones are connecting. Click here to unselect all applications, scroll down to enter apps and data, and right here we have to find Facebook Lite. And here it is. Tap on this application to select, OK, transfer, input your log method, and right now it's finished. And here it is, our Facebook Lite on P40 Pro. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.